sitting in a 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. We're going to be programming a Fobik key. I have a Fobik key in ignition. It's not programmed. You can see that the red light's on. If I turn it, it doesn't start. Now this is an 08. These original 08s had wind module problems, so we're going to see if the wind module is still original or if it's been replaced. We'll go to pin extraction. 08, we're going to try Fobik A. That's the original wind module. Read the pin. Due to the wait time, this does not appear to be the original wind module. We're going to try Fobik B in a second because that will be the protocol if it's been replaced. Okay, this thing has been replaced, so we're going to back out. Under Fobik B, we should have 0 problems under Fobik B. Read pin. There it is, 3399. Back out 3 screens. And we're just going to go under Fobik System 1. Since we already pulled the pin, but this will automatically put it in for us. All we have to do is hit Program Key. And that's it. So this wind module has been replaced on this car. Try the buttons. Put it in. All right, we are done.